up, YouTube? It's your boy Fern here, bringing you guys another day in the life of Fern. Today is Caffeine and Octane morning. It's the first one for the S5, as you guys can see, being on S5 Sportback. For all of you guys that are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that sub. We are posting 3 videos daily, 3 videos a week daily. We got the show ready, not the show, but we got the car ready last night. Did a quick little detail, as you guys can see, the way the black accents on the vehicle hitting with the forest in the back. Great looking car overall performative, great looking car, you know what I'm saying? So we are stock, man. This is an amazing car. I found this cool little spot here. Oh, pretty dead. It's a public library, but nobody's here. Nobody's gonna mess with me. As you guys see, yo, peep the form, yo. Peep the form. Great looking vehicle, man. But yeah, so Caffeine and Octane morning, first one yet with the S5. Nice wash. I'm gonna see if I can get a few clips while I'm out there, and should get there pretty quick. It'll say 57 minutes, but you know, when you're driving one of these, you gotta break it in half a little bit, you know. But overall, great vehicle, man. The weather is 70 degrees outside Fahrenheit. And I got a quick story time for you guys right here. I was in Midtown Atlanta in a parking spot, and parking only for these types of cars. But there was an SUV that came, big tires, turned it, dented my shit. We're gonna get that fixed soon. And you know, typical people that don't know how to open up their doors slowly, scuffed up the vehicle. But yeah, man, check out the form, yo. This is valid. Like, when I tell you as far as like price point on a car and what it could do and everything like that, yo, if you're not driving no type of Audi that's like this, you know what I'm saying, be 8.5 or up. Hopefully if YouTube goes well, we'll get a B10 for the channel. Only you guys can make it happen, but we got the B9 on our own, you know what I'm saying? Blue collar. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the meet. Also, don't forget, hit that sub. This is me, this is the one I need right here, the R8.
Oh, this is it?
Maybe that white guy right there.
That's how it's saying.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Tell him if it looks good. No problem. You too.
Oh shit, my bad, bro.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Nah, you good.
Because I don't want people looking
coming down.
And then people are like looking at
I went early.
This one? This shit's fire. Yo, it's mad hot.
Shut up.
Fucking hot, bro.
Dude.
Hey, dog.
I got the portrait for shit like that. I'd say you get the portrait for shit like that.
I'm looking back, so I've already popped. They got to take me out.
Pack your bags. You're going over.
Yeah, you go here, hold on.
Oh, you got it, man. Yeah, do your thing, man. It's fire.
This must have been where she was at.
You got it, huh? Sorry about that, bro.
Where she was at earlier.
Yeah, because the Audi tent should be somewhere down there. That's how they do it, man. That is how they do it. Yeah. You want to take out that jacket?
No, because I don't want to take it off.
Oh yeah, where's the coffee stand at? Alright, let's go get you the coffee. Yeah, where Ashley at now?
I just told her we will see her somewhere in this vicinity because I know it's eventually going to happen.
Right. Oh, sorry about that, yeah. Check this out. Yo, guys, peep the vibe, bro.
Close your eyes, hands down.
Where's she at? Sorry about that.
It's 10:15, so I should assume that you're ready to go. Okay.
Now I ate like 30,000. Oh shit. Green DRLs. Nice. You guys are the fast guys over here?
Do what?
Are you guys the fast guys?
He's the fast guy. Everyone is that.
God.
I'm the semi-fast guy, and the hell of where that guy is.
Where? Which one is you? This one? You're fast, man.
Not, yeah.
Is it stock?
It's stock. Yeah, I just bought it. I
Okay.
just got it. Like,
Okay.
2 months ago.
Nice.
Maybe faster. He's a little faster. He's got a bucket. He's a little faster.
What? All right. What do you got? What you got going on?
I got a custom stage 2. Like E44. That's crazy.
How much horsepower is that?
Probably like
8. God damn. Yo,
Yeah.
you guys are quick.
No, yeah, at stock, I'm at about 540.
Okay. Yeah, I love it. I love seeing stuff like
Yeah.
this, man.
All right.
Nice.
Cool, man.
Nice. Alright. Yo. Hell yeah. That boy going crazy. So as you can see, we're here at Whole Foods. That's the net. We're going to Whole Foods. Bring that head here. Turn around.
Bring that head here.
We didn't make it to the pay. And I fucked her in the Uber, we didn't make it to the pay. And I fucked her in the Uber, we didn't make it to the pay.